In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to sew your pockets on your Ankara trouser or any trouser as it may be. So the first thing you want to do, take the front piece of your fabric, that's where of your pattern, that's where you're going to be sewing the pocket to. Now, I already applied usable interfacing behind the camera, but I'm going to explain how you're going to do that. So you want to measure 1.5 inches from the side, and then you also square down 7.5 inches, and then you notch the 7.5 inch and also notch the 1.5 inch, and then you get your fusible interfacing, your gum stay, and you iron it. You press it on, and you also press the part you cut on the trousers. You do it for the front and the back, both of them. You iron it neatly. Next, you want to take your pocket pieces. Now they're going to be 2 pieces, and you cut them in square, 13 inch by 13 inch. It's a square. Now that will be the pocket piece, the one that we use for the pocket itself. Now you place your front pattern on top of it, your front piece, and then you place it where you see me do it. Now I'm going to take a pin to hold this in place so that it's steady for me. Now the next thing you want to do, you will notch the 1.5 inch from the top that you took on the trousers, notch it on the pocket piece as well, and then you turn it over, and on the 1/2 inch mark also notch 1/2 inch on the pocket fabric, not the plain, because you already have a 1/2 inch on that one. Then you want to fold from that 1/2 inch and fold it along the 1.5, and then you're going to sew along that line, 1/4 inch sewing or less. Now once that is done, you're going to open the pocket out, and then you will fold the pocket piece. You cut out the extra fabric of the pocket that is under, as you see. Cut that one out, and now you're going to fold the pocket piece on top of the trouser on top of the pocket piece, and then you will sew it for a clean and neat finish. Some people can decide to weave that edge before sewing it, but you can either weave it and sew, or you just fold it and sew. Whichever case is okay. And now you're going to fold the top piece over the Ankara piece. Make sure it's laid correctly, and then you would measure the 1.5 inch at the top, because now we're replacing the front piece on the pocket to replace the 1.5 we removed initially. So you place it there, and then you will just sew that upper part to hold the pocket in place, so that you can go and work on the lower parts. Once you're done with that, flip the fabric and go to where you have the end of the pocket, and from that point you will square down 1 inch, and you will notch 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch in. And once you've done that, you will turn the fabric over, and then you will sew the pocket around the hem of the pocket. I'll be able to catch the turning over. So now you sew that place around to close up the pocket. And once that is done, you're going to flip the pocket out, and then you will, okay, now I'm cutting out the excess from the pocket that I just sewed, and now you're going to flip it over, bring out the inner part of the pocket. Then you're going to sew top stitch on it. so that that down is properly sealed. You know, that's the pocket. You put things in your pocket. Now you don't want a situation where the pocket is going to rip apart later in the future, so you want to hold it very firm. All right, next thing you want to do now is the 1/2 inch mark at the bottom of the pocket. You're just going to sew it down 1/4 inch. Sew that part down neatly. And if you do it properly, you'll find that when you sew that 1/2 inch, it will line up with the other sewing that's coming from the top of the pocket. You understand what I mean when you're sewing it? So sew that just the 1/2 inch that we notched, just sew it back in. And we're almost done with this. Finally, you're just going to lock up the top of the pocket. Just sew to close the up. And at this point, our pocket is complete. We are done making our pockets. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. For a full detailed tutorial on how to sew this particular trouser that you see in this video, click on the link above, and then you can also subscribe for more tailoring tips. God bless you.